Hello, I am Bob from Kelion Machinery. Many customers said that they don't know how to adjust the carbide tip selection. Today, we will explain the adjustment procedure. Firstly, adjust guide piece width and upper plate height depend on carbide tips to be adjusted. Put a carbide tip on the carbide weighting area and the middle of guide piece. Loosen the jacket screw of material weighting area. Adjust the guide piece width according to the carbide tip width. Loosen the fixing screw of the upper plate. Adjust the height of upper plate. Click the conveyor belt button on the screen. The conveyor belt opens. If the carbide tip is stuck, widen the guide piece width until carbide tips go through smoothly. If carbide tips smoothly go from the tail to the front, then we lock the jacket screw. After adjusting the guide piece width, adjust the plate above the vibration plate. Put the carbide tips on the plate. Loosen the plate screw and adjust the width of plate width. Only a carbide tip can go through. Tighten the screw. Click conveyor belt button after adjusting the width and see if only a carbide tip can go through. Next, adjust the lens of first detection. Take a carbide tip. Put it about 2 millimeters to the right of the blowhole. Rotate the lens until the light vertical to the carbide tip bevel. Adjust the distance of lens. Control the size of light spot. When adjust the lens, you need to look at the red test value of the amplifier at the same time and adjust the red test value to be larger than other wrong sides. After the red test value is maximized, turn carbide tips over and look at test values of other sides. If other sides have test values that is larger than the correct side, it must be readjusted. We maximize the red test value of the correct side to 4095. Adjust the green comparison value by left and right keys. Make green comparison value smaller than correct side value, larger than wrong side's values. Open the conveyor belt button after adjustment. Look at the carbide tip selection. Check for reverse carbide tips. According to carbide tip length, modify selection time in the second page. Selection time is the time to stop blowing. So the longer the carbide tip, the longer the time. Full carbide tip selection. Firstly, look at detected value without carbide tip under lens. Then look at detected value with carbide tip. Adjust the green comparison value by left and right keys. And adjust the green comparison value to between two detected values. Enter manual setting page to adjust the second detection. Click transmit clamp, retaining needle up, detection position. Then click transmit loosening, carbide fall to detection position. Then adjust the lens of second detection. That is the same as the first detection. During operation, if detected value is less than green value, it has wrong carbide tip. It will be clamped to the discarded position. Ray clamping carbide tips. If detected value is larger than green value, it is the correct carbide tip. The next action will be taken if the second detection lens is broken or no second detection. In the mode selection page, change the second detection selection to 1 and the second detection function will close. Today, we explained adjustment procedure of carbide tip selection. If have any questions, please leave messages below or private line. See you next time.